In 2024 and beyond, Amazon is expected to continue expanding its revenue streams beyond its core e-commerce business. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Healthcare. Amazon is already making strides in this area through its acquisition of One Medical and its partnership with Carlyle Group to create a new healthcare company. In the future, Amazon may offer telemedicine services, digital health tools, and even its own line of over-the-counter medications. 2. Advertising. Amazon's advertising business is growing rapidly, and it's expected to become a major source of revenue for the company in the coming years. Amazon's advertising platform allows businesses to target ads to specific audiences based on their search and purchase history, making it a powerful tool for marketers. 3. Cloud computing. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is already a major player in the cloud computing market, and it's expected to continue growing as more businesses move their operations to the cloud. AWS offers a wide range of services, including storage, computing power, and data analytics, making it a one-stop shop for many businesses. 4. Delivery and logistics. Amazon is already investing heavily in its delivery and logistics network, and it's expected to continue doing so as it seeks to offer faster and more convenient delivery options to its customers. Amazon may also offer its logistics and delivery services to other businesses, allowing them to take advantage of Amazon's extensive network. Number 5. Entertainment. Amazon's streaming service, Amazon Prime Video, is already a major player in the entertainment industry, and it's expected to continue growing as more people cut the cord and switch to streaming services. Amazon may also offer its own line of original content, allowing it to compete with other streaming giants like Netflix and Disney+. 6. Sustainability. As concerns about climate change and sustainability continue to grow, Amazon is expected to place a greater emphasis on sustainability in its operations. This may include investing in renewable energy, reducing waste, and using more sustainable materials in its products. 7. Artificial intelligence and robotics. Amazon is already using AI and robotics in its operations, and it's expected to continue doing so as it seeks to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Amazon may also offer AI and robotics services to other businesses, allowing them to take advantage of these technologies. 8. Financial services. Amazon is already offering financial services like Amazon Pay and Amazon Lending, and it's expected to expand its offerings in this area. Amazon may also offer its own line of financial products, such as credit cards and loans, allowing it to compete with traditional financial institutions. Number 9. Education. Amazon is already offering educational resources through its Amazon Inspire platform, and it's expected to expand its offerings in this area. Amazon may also offer online courses and degree programs, allowing it to compete with traditional educational institutions. 10. Retail. While e-commerce is already a major source of revenue for Amazon, the company is expected to continue innovating in this area as it seeks to offer more convenient and personalized shopping experiences to its customers. This may include using AI and robotics to improve the in-store shopping experience, as well as offering more sustainable and eco-friendly products.